Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. On today's video we're going to make a drink called the Scofflaw, right? This is a Prohibition drink, date back to the 1920s. The name derived from this contest they was having to describe like lawlessness or whatever. But this is a Prohibition drink. You can use rye or bourbon. I'm going to use rye. And it incorporates rye or bourbon, dry vermouth, lemon juice, some grenadine, and some orange bitters, right? So let's get started. First things first, we're going to go 2 ounces of rye. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of a dry vermouth. Next, we're going to go just a 1/4 ounce of some fresh lemon juice. Next, we're going to go just 2 dashes of grenadine. Just 2 dashes. See if I can get this to dash. Yep, that's like about 2 dash worth. And last, we're going to go 1 dash of an orange bitter. There we go. All right. Give it a little ice. Little Coupe glass. Here you go. The Scofflaw, right? Or Scofflaw? I don't know. You see how it's, I'm sure I'm pronouncing it wrong. Here you go, though. Just curiosity. Let's see what goes on with it. For as little grenadine that I put in there, is a little back in the back, little hint of it. A good drink, but you got to think, right? This is a Prohibition era cocktail, when the quality of alcohol was not the best, right? They got what they can get. Right? It could be bad. So you would have to mix it with different things to try to make the drink, you know, taste worthy. It ain't like today where you got a million different bourbons, a million different ryes, right? To go with the palate that you like. But this is a very interesting drink. It's good. Solid drink. Again, you just wonder how much better drinks would have been in Prohibition if they didn't just grab whatever they could grab to make the alcohol, right? It's like when I lived overseas in a country where alcohol was not legal. They used to, people used to make their own stuff, right? And their whiskey was really the stuff they made soaked in Jack Daniel barrel chips, right? So you have to imagine it's probably something similar to that back in the days too, right? To get different things. Anyway, I'm just blabbing. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.